out here today at 3rd and Army. We found a secret ramp spot in the back. We're gonna go back there, skate it up a little bit, and then we'll come back up here and see if we wanna skate the ledges at all. See how it rolls. We found a brand new vert ramp at 3rd and Army.
Wow.
We're gonna shred it. Maybe we'll even shred 3rd and Army, maybe we won't. You know? Yeah, I love the like tree growing out right out of the middle. Or is that a plant? Is that a tree or a plant?
That's a fern.
That's fern. Between two ferns.
Does this 2 feet of vert give you any PTSD, Rick?
Should I drop it in?
Yeah.
With the bag?
Oh my God, take the bag off, Rick. Nah, Ricky, take the bag off. Almost went down. We really out here. Yeah!
There's probably like some kind of alien in there.
It's called the rat alien.
Wow, thanks, Mo.
Oh, that's a ticket, Mugger. Good eye.
Any place like this that we go to, Ricky fits right in.
I take the compliment. Thank you, Gabriel.
Oh, it was a compliment, just so you know.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Knee slide, knee slide.
The vert ramp is easier to skate than this. Whoa, good save!
Okay.
It's a nice hoodie you got there.
I know, you too.
Thank you. Did you notice that there's a Braille B right there?
I did.
Wow! I was just gonna say you should grind that, Chris. Hello, Rick.
Alright, I got that angle, brother. Look at this. Instagram post for JD. Boom, yeah. You say like, I like vert ramps and I found a ramp in the streets that is kind of like a vert.
Is that what JD sounds like?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. Let me actually film this good. Woo!
I had it.
I'm still scared of this section.
I filmed that so artsy.
James, this thing is gnarly.
All that vert's been helping you out. Oh! Whoa! If you do that, I'll give you a hug.
Off camera?
Whoa. It's pretty sketchy.
Oh my God.
Nice though.
Yo, 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 whoa, 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 whoa! Go to fakie!
Let's go, boy!
Man, Chris has really been training. Whoa! 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 Aaron, you just don't get off the board here.
Learn an army curse. Yeah!
Hey Rick, what kind of terrain are we in?
We are in all of the terrain, Gabriel. You see that piece of metal? That is one. Metal is one of the all of the terrains, Gabriel.
What?
Oh, right? When? Yeah!
Dang.
This man was gonna do a trick for his video part and see, there's 30 skaters here. And what he did, he set up a rock and put his phone on the rock and said, "Thank you, rock, for filming my video." This man.
Ow.
Oh, yeah. So I slammed.
Damage report.
I was basically like, I really wanted it. I felt good about it, but I spun and all my weight was too forward. So when I landed in the bank, I just immediately slipped out and I hit my elbow and my hand pretty much at the same time. So you could see, yeah, based just from impact, cut there, and then this is like all swollen now, which sucks because it's only been like a minute. And then I hit my elbow too.
But your wrist is okay.
My wrist is good somehow, but like I just from the sheer blunt force of hitting this, I'm good though. I did get some tricks on there. I tried my best, but yeah, I know I can do it. I'm just not trying to risk injuring this anymore.
Nah, killed it.
Yeah.
Just wait. Woo! Secret skateboard spot. We are out here.
There's a heat wave. What's the best trick you've ever done here, Aaron?
The ledge line. And that one.
20 tries. Yeah!
First try.
Block the wind.
Out. Get out of town. Oh.
No! You got nollie flop. You got nollie flip.
Dang it!
Oh! I landed right in the crash. Yep.
Wow. Now, Chris, get his back.
I did. He got my back. You saw that? That was utter perfection. I'll try one more.
Flip out. Let's get it! Vert dogs!
Whoa!
Double!
Woo! Push-ups.
Yes, sir!
Look how clear this water is, Aaron. This is paradise. Huh?
What was that? My friend probably like fell off.
Oh! 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 You chipped it!
Glow, we're dying out here! Send help! Freezing! Wow, it's ice cold out here. Where's Glow's jacket when you need him? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see us outside of the Braille house, leave it in that comments below. Spam the comments below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Join Braille Army Plus right now. There's never been a better time to learn. Let's go.